Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video you will learn how to set caller ID announcement in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your tablet, go to call button. Here. Then go to these three vertical dots here and go to settings here. Then here select caller ID announcement option. And here click on announce caller ID, and here you are seeing that it is already set to never. Okay, if you choose second one only when using headset, that means if you connect your tablet with your headset and call is coming, then only caller ID announcement will be done. Okay, on all other open times it will not announce caller ID. Okay, if you click on first option always, that means whether you are connected to headphone or not, it will always announce caller ID. Okay, now I am checking it. I am making call from another number and see here.
Incoming voice call from Director.
It's saying that incoming voice calls from Thurai Prince.
Incoming voice call from Director.
So caller name is read loud. Okay, so in this way you can easily set caller ID announcement in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.